Welcome students, this is Chandan Singh Negi. In previous sessions we have solved some problems. Now today we are going to solve another problems. That is the trigonometric problems, trigonometric issues. See, first the question is, we have, this is cos square A plus cos square, this is A minus 120 degree, and plus cos square A plus 120 degree, right? This is 3 by 2, which we have to prove that, right? So that is the questions. See this one. This is, we have to prove. We can prove it by two manners. Just take the left hand side. We have the solution is left hand. We have this one. This is the left hand side, and see this one. We can write this is cos square A plus cos A minus 120 degree, this is whole square, plus cos A plus 120 degree, this is whole square. Whether we can sort out this problem by this one, where we have to use this cos A minus B, and here this is cos A plus B. And second rules which we have, this is like, we know that this is cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. Then cos square A is equal to cos 2a plus 1 upon 2. Cos 2a plus 1 upon 2. So we can use this one also. Now, if I put the value of cos squares, so when we get this is this one without square. That is the without the squares. So put this value, this is equal to, this is cos 2a plus 1 upon 2, and then plus this is cos square A, this is cos 2a, A here 1a minus 120 degree, and this is plus 1 divided by 2, and third one is cos square, here A is A plus 120 degree. So this is cos 2 into A plus 120 degree plus 1 divided by 2, right? So this information, whether we can sort it out with by the whole square of this one and use this cos square, cos A minus B and cos A plus B, or we are using this one, the cos square A is equal to cos 2A plus 1 upon 2. So now just take this one. 1 by 2 is common, and now this is cos 2a plus cos 2 into A minus 120 degree, and plus cos this is 2 into A plus 120 degree, and plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is plus 3. Now this is 1 by 2. Here this part is not the disturbing for us, and neither we can put the value of cos 2a. So that means this is cos C plus cos D. We can use this is cos C plus cos D, right? So cos C plus cos D is equal to, here this is cos 2a plus cos C plus cos D. What is the cos C plus cos D? Right, to put the value of this one, 2 cos C plus D, and 2a minus 240 degree, okay, that is the C, this one C, and that is the D. So D, it is 2a plus 240 degree, divided by cos C plus cos D upon 2, and cos C minus cos D upon 2. So 2a minus 240 degree minus 2a plus minus minus, this is 240 degree, divided by 2. And we have this is plus 3, that is plus 3. Now this is equal to 1 by 2 into cos 2a, now plus 2 cos, and now check this one, this is 240 degree, 240 degree cancel out, 2a plus 4a, that is 4a upon 2, and this is cos, now here 2a cancel out, this is minus 240, this is minus 480 degree upon 2, plus 3. plus 3. Right? Now this is equivalent to, this is cos 2a and plus 2 cos 4a upon 2a, this is cos 2a and into cos how much? Minus 240 degree, minus 240 degree plus 3. Now put the value of minus 240 degree. This cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. This is cos 2a plus 2 cos 2a and this is cos 240 degree plus 3. Now put the value of cos 240 degree. So it is equivalent to 90 into 3. This is 270 degree. 270 degree minus 30 degree. This is equal to 1 by 2 cos 2a plus 2 cos 2a. It is cos 240 degree. It is just check this is. It is 240 degree here. That means it is 90 into 3 minus 30 degree. 3 is the odd and that is lie on third quadrant. Cos is negative in third quadrant. So then it will change in minus sin 30 degree. So minus sin 30 degree value is minus 1 by 2 plus 3. Now 2 cancel out, cos 2a minus cos 2a cancel out 0. So this is equal to 1 by 2 into 3, that is equal to 3 by 2. So that is the rule of this one, that is 3 by 2. That is the solution, right? So that or you can change this one cos a cos 120 degree. Cos 120 degree is minus 1 by 2 on plus sin a sin 120 degree. This is sin is 120 degree is this is under root 3 by 2. Then again this is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. It is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. You can use this one also. Okay, thank you. In next sessions we will discuss more problems. Thank you.